Hello, Victoria.
Hello!
We've got 2 big boxes of books to unpack today. That's so exciting.
So many new things.
Look, we have No Fair by Jacob Grant.
Very nice. Oh, the Great Truck Switcheroo from Little Boardman.
Just a worm.
And The Brilliant Calculator, How Mathematician Edith Clark Helped Electrify America.
In the palm of my hand.
Oh, this is fun. Ramen for everyone.
The Bad Seed.
Ooh. Quiet Time with Mycia.
One day.
The Teachers I Loved Best.
Garfield Fat Cat 3-pack volume 24. That's the new one.
And we have Rainbow Shopping.
Making More How Life Begins.
This is a little delayed, but we have The Night Before St. Patrick's Day.
Catching Flight.
It's My Body.
Birds Everywhere.
Submarines and Submersibles.
How Old is a Whale?
Twisters.
Voices of the Deep.
Follow me, little one.
Little Kids' First Big Book of Sports.
Fun. And we have 2 of these. We have Lewis Hamilton and Louis Pasteur.
What does little crocodile say at the beach?
I wonder. We have Eco Girl.
A llama is not an alpaca.
My Little Thief.
Never Give Up. Dr. Katie Carrico and the Race for Future Vaccines.
Ooh. One Chicken Nugget.
Meet the Hamantaschen, a pure mystery.
Another Irish one. We have The Irish Cinderland.
Hidden Creature Features.
Leva at Last.
Corner. Interesting.
Ooh. Fun shape too, not your usual book. And we have Boundless. Ooh, an extraordinary true story about overcoming life's challenges and striving for greatness.
Kid Kitchen.
Bye. We have Resistance Stories from Black History for Kids.
Garfield Fat Cat 3-pack volume 23 also.
What was this all about? Oh, we have 2. Okay, so we have Wildflowers.
Legends of Lotus Island, the Guardian Task, new series.